Almost immediately after the first use of nuclear weapons, some began to realize this fundamentally altered how nations would deal with each other. The question asked over and over again over the past 70 years is, how do we preserve what we value when the means we and our opponents have can destroy all that we value? This course will focus on the decades-long struggle political and military leaders and civilian theorists have had in trying to create a rational international security system when faced with technology that can eradicate the human race.